Hello everyone. Today's video is about me feeding my peacock bass and the green terraciclids. So as usual, I'm feeding them with prawns. So this is their basic schedule. I feed them prawns, but before that I remove the outer coat, and also I remove the black stringy thing which comes out from their spine. Since they're around 6 to 10 inches in length, so that's why I prefer this method. And as for the adult fishes, I generally feed them without removing anything. I just throw the entire prawn and they just devour on it. So yes, you can say that my food of choice for these juveniles is definitely prawns, because they have a wide spectrum of nutrients which really regulates and helps in the proper and optimum growth of juveniles. So if you really ask me, I would definitely tell you to not only feed pellets, but to feed prawns. And if possible, I would tell you to not feed pellets at all, because I personally don't find it very helpful, or it is actually, in my case, I am totally against feeding pellets to these fishes, because these are not built to actually eat pellets. So yes, I try to mimic their natural habitat, and I use house plants, which also helps in nitrate level controlling. So the roots grow inside and the plants they grow outside, and it gives quite a natural look to your aquarium. So as I am done with my feeding, I generally turn on my wave maker and the filter. So the combination together, it takes away the leftover debris of food, as well as it helps in digestion of the food, since it adds a lot of current to the water. And the fish, they get a lot of physical exercise. So yes, they help both the water as well as the fish. So I'd recommend you to start your filters and wave makers if you have, right after the feeding, and turn them on for around 30 minutes or 1 hour, so that the water gets crystallized and cleaned, as well as the fish gets some kind of catalytic reaction to their digestion process. And if you have an 8 feet long tank like this one, then you will definitely like the waves formed by the wave maker. Lastly, I would like to say, if you want a detailed video on peacock bass, then please write in the comment sections and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. Please subscribe.